Hey everybody, Christmas video weekend. Welcome to another video. So I was sitting around, minding my own business, thinking to myself, I think I have way too much time and money on my hands. What I really need is another very big project to do. Just then my daughter comes in and tells me she wrecked the Ace. She wrecked it good. Ugh. That wheel should not be up there. There's a lot of broken things. Ball joints, A-arms. Just, oh my gosh. Wheel went up. Cracked her plastics back here. Left her fender out. She broke it. Let me show you a picture. She managed to hit the tree over there on the left. When she did, it stopped her and spun her around it, and then she landed right there with the machine not working. So I'm gonna have to rebuild it. So let's take it apart and see what needs to be done. This is where we stand. The hub's fine, rotor's fine, no brakes there, wheel's fine. Knuckle is fine, minus 2 ball joints. Need a couple of those. Tie rod is nice and straight. Didn't even bend that, but it did bend the bolt. So I will replace at least the bolt, maybe the entire outer. Axle straight, boots are in good shape. So I am just looking at lower A-arm, maybe sway bar. I don't know. I don't know about sway bar, but it's really not too bad, all things considered. That's what's left of the A-arm. Not much. I did tear, well, she did tear the boot. Sway bar link. So I'll have to get a new one of those. And I was thinking, oh, I don't have to take the whole nose off because this is fine. Well, it is fine except for this ball joint, which I need to press out. Because I don't have the tool to press it out in the machine. So I'm gonna have to take the lower bumper off and the shock mounts to get the upper A-arm off. Good news, the sway bar is okay. It is square. It's lined up across the side. I think we lucked out. So that is it. Upper lower ball joint, outer tie rod, lower A-arm. Oh, and sway bar link. We're gonna call it right there for the teardown of this Ace rebuild project. Obviously I have some parts to order, so I'm gonna get those. Once they come in, just hit a B right out of the air. Once those parts come in, we'll rebuild it and see if we can get it put back together. In the meantime, thank you so much for watching. If you haven't done so, click on our little icon, subscribe to the channel, and check out our other videos and watch for the next episode. All right, we'll see you next time.